This video is about time, is about clock. The Peregrino Sinus time, future chronograph, metric time. The illustration of Peregrino Sinus time clock. The time is 6:44:17 or 6 per hour, 44 per minutes, and 17 per seconds. Again, the time is 6:44:17 Peregrino Sinus time. The 1 full day of the Peregrino Sinus time, the 1 full day of the Peregrino Sinus time is 20 per hours. Then 100 per seconds is 1 per minute. And 100 per minutes is 1 per hour. So, 1 per minute is composed of 100 per seconds. And 1 per hour is composed of 100 per minutes. Again, the full day. The 1 full day of the Peregrino Sinus time. 1 full day is 20 per hours. 1 full day is 2,000 per minute. And 1 full day is 200,000 per seconds. Then time equivalent. Time equivalent, Peregrino Sinus time to standard time. 1 per hour, Sinus time is equal to 1.2 hour standard time. 1 per minute is Sinus time is equal to 0.72 minute standard time. In 1 per second, Sinus time is equal to 0.432 second standard time. So another time equivalent standard time to Peregrino Sinus time. 1 hour standard time is equal to 0.8333333 per hour Sinus time. And 1 minute is equal to 1.388889 per minute Sinus time. And 1 second standard time is equal to 2.31481481 per second Sinus time. And the time zone. The time zone of Peregrino Sinus time. 0 degree longitude wide. The corresponding time is 10 o'clock noon, Peregrino Sinus time. And 180 degrees longitude wide, the corresponding time is 10 o'clock midnight, Peregrino Sinus time. So, time zone, another time zone, Peregrino Sinus time, the time zone, 1 per hour is 18 degrees longitude wide. And 1 per minute is 0.18 degree longitude wide. 1 per second is 0.0018 degree longitude wide. So, place value. Peregrino Sinus time, place value. The time is 12 per hours, 34 per minutes, 56 per seconds, and 789 milli per seconds. So the 1 is tenths of per hour, the 2 is ones of per hour, the 3 is tenths of per minute, the 4 is ones of per minute, the 5 is tenths of per seconds, the 6 is ones of per seconds, the 7 is hundreds of milli per second, and the 8 is tenths of milli per seconds, and the 9 is ones of milli per seconds. So, since Peregrino Sinus time, place value in decimal form. So 1 is tens of peri hours, and 2 is ones of peri hours, then point. Then 3 is tens of peri minute, and 4 is ones of peri minute, and 5 is tens of peri seconds, and 6 is ones of peri seconds, then 7 is hundreds of milli peri second, and 8 is tens of milli peri seconds, and 9 is ones of milli peri seconds. And the time is 12.3456789 peri hour. So ito muna ang ating place value. Next time, gagamit tayo ng place value ng peri hour. No, ibang klaseng place value ang gamitin natin next time. So vertical position, place value. 1 is tens of peri hour, 2 is ones of peri hour, then point. Then 3 is tens of peri minute, 4 is ones of peri minute, 5 is tens of peri second, 5 is ones of peri second, 7 is hundreds of milli peri second, and 8 is tens of milli peri seconds, and 9 is ones of milli peri seconds. So, clock illustration. Peregrino Sinus time, clock illustration. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. And 1 is 10 of peri seconds and peri minutes or peri minutes. Then 2 is 20 peri seconds or 20 peri minutes. Then 3 is 30 peri seconds or 30 peri minutes. Then 4 is 40 peri seconds or 40 peri minutes. Then 5 is 50 peri seconds or 50 peri minutes. Then 6 is 60, 7 is 70, 8 is 80, 9 is 90, 10 is 100. Peregrino Sinus time because I also the one of the creator and discoverer of this chronograph. So, addition of time. Addition of Peregrino Sinus time, no? The advantage of Peregrino Sinus time is you can easily calculate the time manually or by using calculator. So, addition of time. Addition of Peregrino Sinus time. Excuse me. Addition of Peregrino Sinus time. 7 peri hours, 29 peri minutes, 91 peri seconds, and 637 milli peri seconds, plus 7 peri hours, 81 peri minutes, 21 peri seconds, and 351 milli peri seconds. And the sum is 15 peri hours, 11 peri minutes, 13 peri seconds, and 988 milli peri seconds. So, addition of time and decimal form. Addition of time in decimal form. 7.2991637 peri hours plus 7.8122351 peri hours. The sum is 15.111. Again, the sum is 15.1113988 peri hours, or 15 peri hours, 11 peri minutes, 13 periseconds, and 988 milliperiseconds. No? Once again, the clock illustration. Perisecond, periminute, hour. These units of time is followed by my name because my nickname is Pere. So, thank you so much. And that's all.